Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to add filters and effects during video call in WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp and you want to open any individual or group chat, and then let's tap video call in the top right corner of your screen and let's call this person. When connected, you want to tap on your own camera view and then let's tap this effects icon. So here you can see that you have 3 tabs: effects, filters and backgrounds. So in the effects section you can see different effects that you can apply that are applicable to your face. Also in the filters you will find color enhancements, and in the backgrounds you can blur your actual background or pick virtual background, so like this. And when you are done, you just have to return by using this arrow, and your filters will be applied. They will be active. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.